Crabby Bill here. I'm back at it. Back at the kids' place. It's missing. I got the TV stand outside. I'm getting ready to, I'm in the process of sanding it down so that I can paint it. Once it painted blue, just like the door came out amazing. Think of it. The color, I love it. Makes that whole wall pop. So I'm going to paint that and the TV stand to start with. Down here all by myself on a cool, very windy, sunny day. So I'm going to do it out on the porch here for a while, stay in the sun. As long as I can stay in the sun, it's bearable. And let me get this done. My plan here is to try this paint. I just sanded everything down with 320 grit sandpaper. Wiped everything down. So now my plan is to paint the inside of the drawers first with Kills to make sure it's going to stick and set up right. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to paint all the insides first, let it dry, see how it is. It's the same material on the outside, except for on the outside, I'm sure over the 50 or 60 years that my mother-in-law had this, there was wax on it. And hopefully when I sanded, that all came off because it just tore that sandpaper up. It just clogged it up. So I'm going to try this first. See how this goes. Fingers are crossed. Lots of work going on around here. House across the street is having its decks ripped off over there, having theirs redone. Looks like they're siding too. All these storms down here tears everything up. Let's see what happens. New paintbrush. My confidence level that I wasn't going to spill white paint on the gray decks. I knew better, so I came down here. I'm set up down here. A little harder sitting on the concrete, painting them, but I'm liking the way the paint's sticking. Hopefully it'll do that through the whole dresser, credenza, whatever you want to call it, TV stand now. Paint's sticking pretty nice. Going to do the insides white, the outsides are going to be blue. Got 2 days to do this job. Taking my time. The first coat of primer is on everything. I think I'm going to run to Home Depot and get a roller to do these fronts. Just go get a 3-inch roller. Let me get out of this. I'm not liking all the brush strokes, so I think I'll do it with a roller. It wasn't horrible. It's on there. The insides are going to be white. The outsides are going to be blue, same color blue as the door. And I have to do the other cabinet that they're using for a coffee table right now. I'm going to get those two done before I even try the old TV stand. I think that's my lawn service guys down the street. They must be heading this way. The grass is coming in. The holes that we filled in. It's looking pretty good. I want to hit it again with some more weed and feed. We had a lot of rain last night, so that should help. It's looking good. I'm back from my Home Depot run. That's right, I'm sitting on the sofa, and notice I'm wearing a hat. I didn't just put it on for this portion of the video. I've had it on because I was outside. But I went and got a couple of 3 and 4 inch rollers, and I'm going to try to roll this cedar chest. Let's see how it comes out. I want to use the other roller for when I do the face of the cabinet and the top, so that it doesn't have any brush marks in it. That's what I'm thinking. But at this point here, I'm relaxing. Taking my time. I'm going to take a cedar chest outside, take it all apart. It's got brass handles on it and brass hinges. I want to get them all taken care of. And get a coat of primer on it. Let's see what happens. There they are. The reason the yard is full of bunny poop. You can run, but you can't hide. I guess he is hiding. He's hiding behind a tree. 2 there and 1 that ran over there. Let's see if I can find him. Oh, there it is. Ay, ay, ay. Don't know how many's living under that shed. There's some big ones there. Good morning. Trying to get this first coat of blue paint on this cabinet. I cranked the heat up in here last night. I didn't like the way the paint was sitting, but I think it had to do with painting outside and the sold air. It was pretty windy yesterday. It was cool out, although the sun was shining nice and bright. I didn't like the way the paint was sitting, and brought it inside, cranked the heat up. Pretty good now. I'm trying to get a first coat of blue on here. And I have no choice. I'll take the drawers outside and paint the insides white. See if I can get 2 coats on this today, even if I have to do it tonight. I think this is going to be a 3 coat of paint project here. That's what I'm thinking. 3 coats of paint. Moving on. I got 3 coats of paint on the drawers inside and the sides. The fronts are going to be blue. I'm sure that's going to take 2 or 3 coats. They're looking pretty good. Pretty good. You should be happy with that. I'm going to let it set up for a little while. And I'm going to head back in and put a 2nd coat of blue on the cabinet itself. Before anything is said, I didn't pick the colors. Although I like the blue, I didn't pick the color. Just doing what I'm told. See how this goes. I wasn't going to paint this cedar chest just yet, but I decided to go ahead and give it a whirl. I think I can get the next couple of coats on it before it gets too late tonight. I like the way the other cabinet came out. I want to see if this is it going to be too much blue, or is it going to be just enough? Well, I'm going to give it a whirl. I am done for today. I just cleaned up. I got a coat of paint on this other cabinet. I really like it. I'm not sure. I'm not liking the way the paint sits on it, but I had the same problem with the other one. And I think it was the moist air, the salt air that was out there yesterday. But the TV stand came out really nice. The gold handles look good. Daughter-in-law made a good choice. I'm going to leave this here. You can see there's a spot on the top. I'm going to have to sand that down and again and hit it with paint again because paint's not grabbing. Not sure what happened there. Maybe it was just a spot I missed. Doesn't look horrible. Once I clean up those brass handles, should stand out pretty good, or maybe I'll just paint them, spray them gold like the other ones. Not bad. Take a precaution. Got the plywood down on the floor. I'm going to clean up just a little bit. I'm not putting the TV or anything on those on the cabinets. I want the paint to harden up. I'll let it sit a few days. I'm going home back to Philly tomorrow, but I'll be back Friday. So probably Friday night I'll put the TV and stuff back on there. Not a bad 2 days work.